Problem many of us will face is the rising cost of health care as we age. Joining us today is elder care expert Dr. Marion Summers, who is sweeping through Texas as part of a 50-city bus tour across the nation to talk about planning for long-term care. Thanks for being with us this morning.
My pleasure. Thank you for inviting me.
Absolutely. You represent an organization called the
3 and 4 Need More, and this is one of their brochures.
Okay.
And it's a free download. Anybody can go to the website, 3and4needmore.com. It's the number 3 and the number 4. And we got that from, there was a study that said 3 out of 4 Americans are going to need long-term care, and they're not prepared for it.
And talk about the association a little bit and what it aims to do.
Well, the 3 and 4 campaign is all about educating people. I'm going around the country, 50 stops at a minimum. It's wound up being much more than that. But in that 12 weeks, we're trying to educate people and raise awareness as to how to best prepare now for your long-term care issues. Most people think that Medicare and their health insurance is going to cover these issues, and it's not.
Right.
So people have to think in terms of how can they best prepare for themselves. And I'm here in Texas, and I'm having a blast because you guys are really top-notch.
Oh, well, thank you. Glad to have you.
The long-term care insurance people here in Texas have been phenomenal, and they have a wonderful website which will be on your Chiron.
Well, that's great to hear. You've also come up with this SOS campaign.
Yes.
Talk about that a little bit.
SOS is, what is the situation you're in now? What's your health? What's your family health? Oh, what are the options? Do you know what the cost of a long-term care is for a nursing home and assisted living, or having grandma move in with you, or any kind of health issue where housing is involved in some way, shape, or form, or having somebody come in? And S are, what are the solutions? Reverse mortgages, long-term care insurance, annuities, more insurance in some way, shape, or form. People insure their cars, their house, their motorcycle, get life insurance, but they don't think in terms of how to insure themselves for long-term care, any kind of catastrophe.
So situation, options, and solution, and there's so much to consider. It can oftentimes be overwhelming. But there's also some preventive measures that I know that you wanted to discuss, that someone younger can start to prepare for long-term.
Well, I ask people, you know, long-term care insurance, the healthier you are, the younger you are, the lower the premiums are going to be. So start investigating how to take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. I'm talking about you right now. And start your education so that at least you know what your options are.
And talk about the bus tour a little bit. There's a talent competition that goes along with that. Pretty exciting.
Yes, very exciting. The Emeritus Senior Living Facilities around the country, they have over 500 facilities, and they have a talent contest, a senior talent contest, where anybody senior can submit their talent. They state their name, they state why they want to win, and they put their talent on a video and send it to the Emeritus people. And what happens is the first prize winner is worth $45,000 because it's 1 year free rent at an Emeritus, and they have 500 facilities, so you can take your prize anywhere. And there are 11 runners-up. They will get 1 week free rent anywhere in the United States.
That's a staggering number in itself. How much care like that can cost, $45,000 a year.
People don't understand the cost. That's why I ask people, get yourself educated now. Find out what your options are, and also take better care of your health.
Wonderful. Dr. Marion Summers, thanks for stopping in.
My pleasure.
Glad you came through Texas.
Thank you for the invite. Texas is great.
All right. 3 and 1 need more.
3 and 4 need more.
.com. David Yeomans back with our forecast. David?